Here's how to make numbered headings and subheadings in Word. First, open Word and go to the top tab where it says Home. In the Paragraph section, you'll spot the multi-level list icon. Click on it, then select Define New Multi-Level List. You'll see different list options in the top left corner. Select the first one. Down at the bottom left, there's a More button that expands the settings. Click that. On the right side, you want to link this first level to Heading 1. For the number style, choose the one that shows 1, 2, 3 format. Just make sure it includes a dot at the end. Alright, now let's set up the second level. At the top left, switch to level 2. Link this one to Heading 2 on the right. Again, for the number style, choose the one that shows 1, 2, 3 format. Clear the existing format and type in the number 1 manually. Then position your cursor right before it and add a dot. Then look for Include Level Number From and select Level 1. This creates that nested numbering you want. Make sure the formatting is correct. In my case, selecting Level 1, I should have placed the cursor before the dot. That's okay. Just edit it to say 1.1, then hit OK to save all these settings. Now comes the fun part. When you apply Heading 1 to your main section titles, they'll automatically number themselves as 1, 2, 3, and so on. For your subheadings, apply Heading 2 instead. These will show up as 1.1, 1.2, or 2.1, 2.2, depending on which main heading they fall under. The numbering adjusts itself based on the document structure.